Today I have ordered something online and 2 days ago, and it arrived today. There are two packages came, and I'm gonna unbox them and let's see what's inside. Always use this knife to open the packages, or you can use the scissors. So let's see what's inside. There's a list of the parts which I have ordered. It's a stepper motor and shield for it to drive it. Let's see that. That's from Electronics Pro, and we have here a stepper motor. Oh, that's a lot of packaging they did. A wrapping paper. How that will come off. That's the driver circuit for Nema motor, Nema 17 stepper motor, and that's a small motor, stepper motor. This is also a stepper motor. It's not coming out. That's a lot of wrapping around it. Let me take that controller out. Yeah, that's the controller for the smaller stepper motor we have here. Let's see, that just came out. This is a small stepper motor, and that's its controller. You can plug that on here. We will unbox it, unpack it as well. Let's see what's in the other box. We have that box, and I have ordered also another stepper motor which is bigger for my project. I will open the box like so. This is a lot of wrapping around it. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to. Which way it's gonna be open. You need to slit from here as well. Just open the box. As you can see, now the box is still not open. Where is that? Yeah, it's open now. That's another part of this that I have ordered. Let's see what's inside. We have a JoyStick module. Just left, right, and up and down, x-axis and y-axis, and there is the motor, stepper motor, and it's a bipolar motor, stepper motor, 1.8 degree rotation, and here we have a coupler to couple the motor with any rod or something. If I want to, I will remove this and put it on and tighten up. So let's see how this will work, and later on I will do some experiment with these motors.